Treated.com Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to Treated.com are in the description if you want to check it out. Treated.com is an online healthcare provider offering prescription medications through licensed doctors and pharmacies. It's designed for people who want a convenient, safe, and fast way to get treatments without visiting a clinic. The process is simple. You complete an online consultation, a doctor reviews your case, and if approved, your medication is shipped to your door. Treated.com is regulated and works with certified professionals, ensuring safety and legitimacy. It covers a wide range of treatments, including general health, skin conditions, sexual health, and chronic conditions like high blood pressure. One of its standout features is the personalized care plan, allowing users to receive ongoing medical support rather than just a one-time prescription. Pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees, and delivery is discreet and fast. The platform is best for those who need recurring treatments or prefer a hassle-free way to manage prescriptions. However, it's not suitable for emergencies or complex medical issues requiring in-person evaluations. Compared to traditional pharmacies, it offers convenience and privacy, but may be pricier than local options. The customer service is responsive, and the user interface is easy to navigate, making the entire experience smooth. Overall, Treated.com is a reliable option for those looking for a regulated online pharmacy with professional medical oversight. If you're considering it, make sure to check if it operates in your country and fits your needs. Links are below if you want to learn more.